take enough of it. But luckily, these are 5 years old. I mean, you'd have to get the real story from the doctor, but put it this way, I'm very glad she doesn't have any more of these.
No, he doesn't. You're wrong. No, he's pretending. He's just pretending. That's why I have to be careful. It's why I have to keep the doors locked. Alf's going to bring that man back. No, well, then why isn't he here? Why hasn't he caught the man? Why does everything like this happen and Alf's never here?
You know how much he loves you.
No, he doesn't love me. He's sick of me. He doesn't want me around anymore.
No!
Bobby, no. Oh, God, no, please stop it.
We're just trying to get a curve.
Yeah, shh, don't, shh.
Huh?
Where have you been? Did you see her?
Who? What's been going on?
Mummy's been talking to someone.
Would you give him a drink, please? He wants a drink, Alf. Get him a drink, please.
Yeah, sure. Come on, mate. Jeez, he looks great in there, Arse. You ought to see him. He's got 3 dinosaurs and a Power Rangers suit for a pillow. He said you were pretty noisy tonight. Arse? What? Who was here?
No one else. It was just a... Oh, God!